So, hey everyone, do you know all these sentences in English? I have written here Odia sentences. So, do you know or not? If you don't know, watch this video because these all sentences are very important and we need to use in our daily life. We use while having conversation with somebody, we have to use, but that time because of not having the formation of these sentences in English, we get fed, we get puzzled, and we are stuck that time. And that's where we feel and we think we are not capable for speaking English. So without concerning anything, without any further delay, let's dive into the video and let's learn how to make these all sentences. First is 2 घंटा हेला वर्षा होची. How can we make it in English? 2 घंटा हेला वर्षा होची. If you don't know, then let me tell you, this is perfect present perfect continuous tense. Now how we can make it? We can make it, it has been raining for 2 hours, because there is a duration of time, that is why for 2 hours. Our second sentence is mote soso heuchi. Nowadays it is about to enter summer season, so we will feel thirsty. So how we can make this sentence mote soso heuchi? The sentence will be I'm feeling thirsty. Not I am. I'm feeling thirsty. Our third sentence, se khaiba samoy mobile dekhe. Nowadays it's happening. ସମସ୍ତେ ଖାଇବା ସମୟରେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି. ତମେ ଯୋଉ କାମଟି ବି କଲା ବେଳେ ଯଦି ଦିଟା କାମ କରୁଛ ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଠି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରିବା ଇଂଲିଶର ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ଯୋଉଟା କି while, 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 and the sentence will be fourth number sentence is ତାକୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଡକା ଯାଇଛି. ତାକୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଡକା ଯାଇଛି. If you don't know, then let me tell you, this is passive sentence. ତାକୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଡକା ଯାଇଛି, ଜଣଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଗୋଟିଏ କାମ କରା ଯାଇଛି. ତ এই সেন্টেন্স को बना ଯିବ ତାକୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଡକା ଯାଉଛି present perfect tense in passive voice. He has been called here. Then our next sentence, ସେ ଶୋଇବା ଉପରେ ଅଛି. Means ଗୋଟିଏ କାମ ତମେ କରିନ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା କରିବା ଉପରେ ଅଛ. सपोज तुम खाइबा ऊपर अछ, खेलिबा ऊपर अछ, तो जो कामटी के भी करिबा ऊपर अछ करिना, बट बहुत जल्दी ताको करिवो, सो ताको हम यूज करे अबाउट टू. वेरी यूजफुल फ्रेज, अबाउट टू. नाउ लेट्स मेक दिस सेंटेंस. से सोइबा ऊपर अछि, he is about to sleep. Now you make more sentences using these all phrases by yourself, then you will get better clarity. Then our next sentence, ताकू किए कंदाइला. very useful phrase. ताकू किए कंदाइला, किए कंदाइला, ताकू किए डकाइला, ताकू किए कंदाइला, ताकू किए हसैला, मु ताकू किणैली, मु ताकू सेटा को पठैली, like that. So now let's make this sentence, ताकू किए कंदाइला. Who made him cry? Who made him cry? Causative verb. Then सेमाने किछि समय आसी जिवे. It seems little bit easy but tricky as well. So let's make it semane kichi samare asi jibe. They will come in a while. jodi se sentence re jodi hochi kichi samay re, you can use this phrase in a while. In a while. taku किए जीवाकू देला, ताकू किए जीवाकू देला, एडा बहुत समय यूज करिता, ताकू किए जीवाकू देला. तो सेंटेंस विल बी who let him go. Who let him go. This sentence belongs to also positive verb, let. Who let him go. तुमको एठारो घुंचीबार नाही, तुमको एठारो घुंचीबार, तुमको एठारे रहिबार अछि, तुमको घुंचीबार नाही. तुमको एठार घुंचीबार नाही. you do not have to move from here. एठारो रू पाई एठार हम यूज करूछु from. you do not have to move from here. And our next sentence, more disturb हेउची, more disturb हेउची. This sentence also belongs to causative verb. more disturb हेउची, से खाई खाई थकी गलानी से खाई खाई थकी गलानी से गीत गाई गाई थकी गलानी तुम जो काउंट भी करी करी जदी थकी गलानी गोटे सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर तुम यूज करि पारबो टायर्ड ऑफ से खाई खाई थकी गलानी she is tired of eating she is tired of playing she is tired of cooking dishes so likewise we can make this sentence now the last sentence is तुमको सोइबार नाही कि तुमको सोइबार नाही कि तुम एते समय मोबाइल देखु छ तुमको सोइबार नाही कि so how we can make this sentence we can make in a very easy way do you not have to sleep in a very easy way we made it but we make a lot of mistakes because of not having knowledge about it so now guys I think that you got an idea to make these kind of sentences now what is your homework is to make one single sentences using all these sentences in the comment box then I will check your all sentences how you are making and try to make different sentences use these all phrases in your daily life and improve your English so thank you so much for visiting this channel and for watching this video till the end thank you and let's meet on the next video